It's your boy Jay on the Segway. What's good, you guys? Anyways, today's video, I just want to bring you guys back in time. You know, I want to bring you guys back to reality, and I just don't want you guys to forget the pioneers, as I forgot the pioneers. Oh, what the heck is this guy rambling on about now? Just watch the video. With today's times comes a lot of new tech, a lot of camera tech, microphone tech, all kinds of tech, tech packages in cars. There's always something new, right? But I don't often preach this in my videos, but this is going to be the video that I preach it. Guys, what camera you buy, none of that stuff matters. I mean, if you're a super professional, it matters, but think about the old cameras of the back in the days where people were recording things with their little pixel. Look like you're watching a Minecraft video. I don't even know where I'm going. Think about that stuff. Like, you don't need high-tech equipment. I think in society today, often, not everybody, often though, we find ourselves trying to buy the latest and the greatest, and don't really need to. They don't really need to. For example, this camera that I'm recording on right now, it's not super old, but it's relatively affordable. I mean, it's one of those cameras that you could probably still find in the store and purchase it and make great content. Content is all about your creativity. This place is very interesting. Are you a creative person? So in my opinion, and this is just my opinion, all right, I feel like people's videos, if you spend a lot of money on equipment, that will make your video great. There's some people who start off YouTube channels, for example, Instagrams, whatever the case may be. They'll start it with just a cell phone camera, and an old cell phone. So a lot of people, believe it or not, actually buy old cell phones just to make videos with. And their videos and their content is like, it's cool. You enjoy watching it. It kind of gives it a sense of authenticity, you know? And then there's people who spend a lot of money on equipment, and that's what make that content that they record really good, you know? Me, I just like buying new things, but often I find myself like, well, you can't use it all. Think about this, guys. You can't use it all. Always buy the tool that fits the job. A lot of people buying tools that they don't even use, you know? Why buy an action camera that's really good underwater and you don't even go underwater? You're gonna spend a whole bunch of money on this camera, don't even use it. Doesn't make any sense. So I'm just taking you guys through a normal day of my life when I'm home and I'm chilling and I don't have anything specific to do. So I'm doing this. It's a little risky because I could get more views doing a whole different type of camera, because, oh shit, there's a whole lot of cameras that's out right now. But I just want to bring you guys back a little bit with this one. I have this feeling that I'm going somewhere. I'm not gonna like the return trip. Fuck it though. Looks like an old restroom. You know, today is colder than yesterday. Colder. But it feels warmer. I don't get it. The sun is shining the same. Everything's the same. Last night was even colder than the night before last night. So today had a colder start to warm up. It still feels warmer for some reason. Oh shit, allergies, man. Got castles and stuff. Damn. Never seen rims like that. That is cool. How's that recovery? Not too bad. Man, you should be rough with them utensils. I got a question. Well, it's not really a question. I'm thinking out loud to you guys. First of all, that's a nice color. If I was gonna buy a brand new vehicle, I'd get something crazy like that, especially if it's something like that TRD 4Runner. It's a pretty cool vehicle. It's very useful in its own right. In the way that Toyota designed it, built it, it's very good at what it does, or it's supposed to do. But back to the question I was thinking about. How did homeless people get here where I live? I just wonder, because this area is college and military, for the most part, right? And then you have like the pioneers. And when I say pioneers, I'm talking about people who's been here for ages, for a very long time, generational families or whatever you want to call it. How is that transition? I'm going through a lot of different types of lighting, so it'll be interesting to see what that looks like. And I wonder how homeless people get here. There are homeless people here, obviously, so I'm asking why are they here or how did they get here. But it's like there isn't an easy way to get here in general, unless you were already here and then you just somehow got homeless. I just wonder. We aren't close to any major cities. We're not close to we're close to a major interstate yet. You know, there's that. But it's like, how'd they get here? You know, guys, your boy getting hungry. It's time to feed the beast. What exactly am I going to get to eat? Need some of that tropical cafe in my life. Players, I need that, players. What would you like to order? I'm here to pick up for Jason, players.
Ready at the window.
All right, thank you. You know, one thing about tropical smoothie is they take forever to get your order. Oh, wait. We don't need that copyright. We don't need that copyright smoke. They take forever, guys, to get your food ready. But when it gets ready, it's usually pretty good. I said usually. Well, hey, as soon as I pulled up, my shit was ready. Oh, wait. We don't need that copyright smoke. I don't even like that song enough to be getting copyrighted for. I haven't even never heard of this song before, so I guess I can't say I don't like it. Anyways, guys, as I was trying to tell you guys, because I really don't know what the theme of this video is, I'm just recording, but I really want you guys to know that don't Don't worry about spending a ton of money on videos. Hell, if you got a cell phone, use your cell phone. If you got enough storage space to save all these videos. And don't always think that you have to record in 4K. I say that because 4K uses a lot of space. And depending on what type of camera you're using to make your videos, it will take a lot of that space off of your phone or whatever device you decide you're going to edit your videos on. I edit my videos on on a tablet. I do have a gaming laptop that has a lot of power, but my tablet also has a lot of power, and it also can edit 4K videos. It can even render 8K videos. So, but these file sizes are so huge, and you know, the more fun and interesting your content, the less people are paying attention to the quality of the video. And it kind of goes along with what I was saying earlier when I said that some people buy expensive equipment because the expensive equipment is what makes their videos interesting. But if you are a fun content creator and you make interesting content just from your funness of your videos, the equipment you use ain't gonna matter. People will watch a Minecraft video if your audio is decent and the content is fun to watch. They just will. Think about shows that you used to watch when you were younger that you may still watch today. Them shows are old as hell. They were recorded on cameras that are nowhere near as good as the cameras of today are. But yet you still go and you watch them because you like the content. Make good content. Case in hand, I have a friend right now, one of my boys, one of my best friend's mechanics, one of his top mechanics. This man loves fishing. I'm putting his link to his YouTube channel in the comments below. You'll never believe what that man's recording his videos on. You would never believe. And his content is good. If you like anything with fishing and bait and all that type of stuff, watch his videos. And this man is one of the coolest guys I know. I know a lot of cool people, but I attract really cool people. This guy's content is cool. I mean, yeah, you would not believe what he's recording his videos on. That's all I got to tell you. But get over there and look at his videos. If for anything, just look at the footage. Just look at it. No one's looking for the quality, but looking for what he's doing. Interested in seeing what he's doing and how he's doing what he's doing and what he's using to do what he's doing. It's just that simple, man. I say all of that to say that you're watching this video on a GoPro Hero 10 Black. I almost used the Hero 8. Almost. But I didn't. So was this video really that bad? No. Maybe my content was boring, but was the footage that bad? I didn't think so. I mean, I'm recording it, and I'm the one that's going to probably spend 2 or 3 hours putting this together. But whatever. Thanks for watching, man. Like and subscribe if you have any questions on any camera. I got almost every camera. The typical mainstream ones, action camera wise. I don't have a Hero 13. I don't have a Pocket 3. I never felt the use of a Pocket 3, so I never got one when I have a ZV-1 that I use. So, but all the action cameras, for sure, these things for me, those are the tools that I need for my videos, because it may be raining, I might be on my electric scooter, I may be on a Segway, I may be on my bicycle, I might be hiking. I need cameras that can deal with all conditions, no matter what. I'd hate to be recording a video and it starts raining and I gotta try to hide my camera into a waterproof situation because it can't handle the elements. Thanks for watching, man. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.